Recently, we added a new Jeep to the family. We got our son a 2007 Jeep Wrangler 2-door. The other day, we decided to take it out on a shakedown run. Just a quick off-road run through the desert, 100 and something degrees, nice and warm. Went out with our friends Michelle in her Toyota Tacoma and her neighbor Ashley, who was out for her first time off-road in her Jeep Wrangler. So come along with us and let's go for a spin. At this point, we had only had the Jeep a few days. Now, most people might think, hey, I've got a new car, let's take it out to lunch, let's go for a quick drive. Well, not us. We're an off-road family. So that means we're going to go hit some dirt, hit some bumps, and listen to all the squeaks and rattles and any problems that the thing might have. So we took it off-road just south of Montana Mountain outside of Queen Valley, Arizona through the desert. But before long, of course, we had to find some obstacles. Next thing you know it, we were on a pretty steep incline and testing the 4 low. As you come around the corner, Connor, give it some gas. Give it some gas and stay on it. Just go, 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 go. Just like that. Go all the way up to my Jeep. Don't let up. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came from one man, forget about peace. You take the west side, take out the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the
I hear him chatting and guys, move too quick and start get attacking. I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough but man's keep rapping. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan, if you wanna touch man, please use caution, 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 caution,
Stop it.
boys, man so tough, but man's keep rocking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pine, if you wanna touch man, please use caution.
Stop back.
The hill that we had just climbed and then came back down was an old mining claim. There was a filled-in shaft at the top, a lot of loose dirt and tailing piles. Now, it may have been an active claim, but we didn't see any signs up there. You have to be careful of all the mines out in the desert, because a lot of times you'll run across vertical shafts that can drop you straight down 100 feet without warning. With the new Jeep performing great and air conditioning blowing cold, we decided to venture further out in the desert and explore some more. We had been on this trail before, but never from this direction. As we pushed on further, we took a little side road and we found a couple of old perlite mines and eventually went around the hill to the crack. If you've never seen the crack, you should check out my previous video on it. It's a really cool geologic anomaly. We stopped at the crack, had some lunch, then pressed on, and I jumped out of the rig to go investigate something that we had been looking for a while. This was a cave tucked in a wash, clear off the beaten path. We had heard about it before, and a lot of people have called it like an Indian cave or an old settler's cave or something, but it was obviously man-made, had benches carved into the wall, and it was a very narrow, maybe 14-inch wide path along a cliff just to get into it. Very cool old relic in the desert. We don't know much more about it, but I wanted to show you what we found. After a fun day in the desert and a successful first off-road run in the new Jeep, it was time to air up and head home. Thanks for tagging along with us today. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first one notified every time we have a cool adventure coming out, a gear review, all kinds of neat stuff coming from Bolt Canyon Outdoors. So for Bolt Canyon Outdoors, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.